Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll see why AI voice agent sometimes speaks absolute nonsense. If you are building AI voice agents for a while, you must have definitely come across this issue where the AI agent sometimes speaks complete gibberish. It keeps repeating the same words again and again. It talks stuff that doesn't make any sense at all. So in this video, we'll see why it does what it does. Also, if this issue occurs once you implement for a real business and once you make it live, it will create a really bad customer experience. And when that happens, it's not good for the customers and also not for the client and especially not for you as well. So in this video, we'll see how to fix those issues. So let's get into it. So the first and foremost reason why the AI voice agents produces that random and gibberish outputs is because of the LLM itself. Now, what I mean by that is the LLM itself is producing text or the output in such a way that the text to speech model can't pronounce it properly, can't say things right. Okay. Now we'll see an example for that. Now, in this case, as you can see, ideally the sentence should be, how can I help you? Right? But it produced output, how can I dash and dash. So the text to speech model will also say, how can I dash and dash. Right? So that's why the output is in that way. And also sometimes the AI voice agents also repeats its own words. As you can see here, your name is Max. Is that correct? Is that correct? And why it does that? It's because the LLM produced it twice. All right. So now we'll see why the LLM does that and see, how we can fix it. So the first and foremost reason for the LLM to produce such outputs is bloated and unstructured prompts. Now, if you write prompts that are very lengthy, let's say 4,000 words, 5,000 words, and on top of that, you do not structure it properly, obviously the AI will lose clarity, and because of such long information, it will hallucinate and therefore produces that shitty outputs. So make sure that you write prompts that are very concise and also you structure it and organize it properly. Okay. And secondly, max tokens. I'll show you here. So as you can see, this is the option. I generally select 250 to 300. So what happens when you use more tokens is that, let's say 1,000 tokens, the AI voice agent or the LLM will produce lengthy output, and which in most cases is not necessary. Let's say the AI voice agent only needs to say, hi, how can I help you today? But if you select 1,000, it might say, hi, how can I help you today? How is your day going? Some random extra fluff, right? We don't need that. So I only generally use 250, but it's your choice. And the next thing is temperature. So temperature is basically the randomness in the output. Now, if you use temperature 0, like if you select the temperature as 0, the output will be more monotonic. I would say very strict. Okay, so whatever you type in the prompt, mostly that will be the output. Now, if you put it to 2, it will be very random. Sometimes you might not even know what's the AI going to say. So every time it's going to be something new. Okay, but what we need is sometimes the AI needs to make its own, needs to say things on its own, right? Not every time, but sometimes we cannot write every instruction, we cannot write every line. So that's why we just put the temperature to 0.5. Okay, and yeah, so that is the part why the LLMs produce such outputs, and those are the solutions for it. And next we'll see the second one. Okay, so now the second reason why the AI voice agents sometimes produce gibberish outputs is because of text to speech phoneme misinterpretation. Now I'll explain what that is with an example. All right. Now, as you can see here, if I had to pronounce this word, I will pronounce it as Sioban, right? But the right pronunciation is Shivan or whatever that is. Similarly, the text to speech models, when they come across foreign words which are not really common, they try to pronounce it in the best way they can. And sometimes it might not be the right way. So in this case, what you can do is you can mention those keywords or the words in the prompt itself or the keyword section and mention it in a phonetic way so that the LLM understands how to pronounce it. Therefore, the text to speech model pronounce it the right way. So that's the second solution and the problem and the solution. Now, in my case, I tried all of this and few other methods as well, but none of them really worked. And the reason for that was I was using Vapi native voices. Spencer, especially. I was only using this. Earlier in the beginning, it was really good, but when as customers were having more conversations with it, it broke. Like it broke really badly. Okay, so I did my research, and what I came across is it's not just me. There were other people also having the same issues with the Vapi native voices, especially Spencer, right? As you can see here, the Vapi team itself, they mentioned that, other customers were also having the similar issues. So try switching to different voices on Vapi. But what my suggestion is, use the best voices that's out there, which are 11 labs. Try different voices and see, what's best working and, use it. So yeah, that's a solution that I have for you right now. Try the methods that I've mentioned before. If it doesn't work out, try changing the voices. All right. And that's it. If you have any more questions, do let me know in the comments. I will respond. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.